Here's how to update Facebook on your iPhone or Android. Now, if you have the Facebook app open, I would first recommend just closing out of that app completely. Now, the next thing that we will do is open up the App Store or Google Play Store. So tap on the App Store or Google Play Store, and we will search for Facebook on here. After you've done that, you'll be able to see right next to Facebook, it should either say update or just open. Now, if it says open, then it doesn't have any updates available. If it does say update, just tap on that. However, keep in mind there's a more robust and better option to update the Facebook app. I would highly recommend heading into the settings here, and from the settings, tap on General towards the bottom, and then iPhone Storage. After you've done that, you're going to find the Facebook app. There it is. Now, keep in mind on your iPhone or Android, you can offload the app or clear the storage and cache. And what this does is after you offload it, it clears out all of those temporary files. And then by reinstalling it, it force updates it to the latest version. By going through these steps, you'll definitely get the latest features and remove any of the bugs or glitches that are built into Facebook. After it's done installing, you can just open it up and it should be working normally at that point.